Hello there, everybody. I'm assuming you're here to watch this tutorial on how I made the microwave edit trend in CAPCUT, like how Vanilla Bean did on their channel. Some of you guys are impressed in the comment section, and that has motivated me to make a tutorial. So I will be explaining everything quite fast, so if you don't understand, feel free to pause within sections of the video or replay or repeat so you can get a full understanding. It may also seem difficult at first, but I'll give a tutorial for both mobile and PC players, or like users, I guess. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, so firstly, you're gonna open up your Roblox client or application on the intended device you want to use, and then stay on the home page. Once the home page is fully loaded for you, you want to go over and take a picture of your games that you recently played or continued playing. After that, you want to head over to the site pixlr.com/x or /express. It's a site that I've been using since 2020 that's trusted. Don't worry, it's not dangerous to access, and it's really easy to use. Basically, what you want to do is you want to delete the icons of the games that are in your currently played. Now, don't delete the screenshot after you finish editing with it, because you're going to need that for the background where your character is going to walk at. After you finish doing all of that, you're going to go into a Catalog Avatar Creator or a TikTok Dances 3. Those two games like the best, honestly, in my opinion, for green screen and like the adjustment of lighting. And you want to horizontally shift your camera so it faces like right of your character, and then after that you want to record yourself walking horizontally for at least 20 seconds. And then lastly, the final step is for you to record yourself doing emotes in a frozen position. Catalog Avatar Creator has the ability or feature for you to be able to change the positioning of your character using certain Roblox emotes without having to own them. This is the part in Vanny's edit where she was able to transition the different positions in emotes. Once you finish recording all of that, then we're ready to head on over to CapCut.